One of the first things I learned flying FPV in Acro Mode is having to tilt the camera around 45 degrees because this is the kind of angle you're flying at to get a decent speed. So that posed immediate problems for what you do with a high definition camera. So the first thing I tried was this, the old GO 360, which I keep getting disappointed with, but it's the smallest one I've got. So I thought I'd put it in here and see how it goes. So what I've done, I've mounted the case for it there that came with it, and that's what I did. Unfortunately, the camera is still crap, as you'll see from the footage, but what I have done, I've ordered a Runcam Thumb 2, which seems to be getting reasonable reviews, and I'll see how it goes. But as you'll see with this, I'm not impressed. So the GoPro is still the gold standard when it comes to cinematic footage, so that's what I'll stick with, and I've got another case for that. But of course the other thing is, if you're trying to land smoothly with the camera at this degree of up tilt, you can't see where you're landing. So that's another issue I'm going to have to come to terms with. One of the ways to do that, of course, is just to use automated landing, or what we call GPS rescue, return to home. And that touches down quite nicely. But I'm realizing that's why you really see nice footage of smooth landing from FPV flyers where they're in Acro. So it's a good learning experience, and I've learned something more with this, so I'll see how it goes.